So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can solve your WhatsApp icon not showing problem in your WhatsApp. So before starting this video, I wanna say one thing is that if you are new in this channel, then please hit the bell icons and hit the likes to all videos, and let's start this video. So at first you have to go in your settings, and after going in settings you have to search for app management. You have to search for app management. In my mobile, I have app management. In your mobile, it should be app permissions, maybe. So after getting here, you have to click this, and after that, you have to click here. By the way, it is loading. So now you can scroll down, or you can just search it for here WhatsApp. So after coming here, you have to click in this force stop, and after clicking this force stop, you have to come here and you have to clear cache and clear data. After doing that, both you have to come in the permissions and make sure that you should be allow in every context, in every allowance. Okay, so in story also it should be allow, and in message also, in a camera also. So guys, this how you have to do, and it will really work your WhatsApp icons if it is not showing. So guys, thanks for watching this video.